Hey, this is Brian Young with Pro Tinker, and we are here at the NRHSA show, National Hobby Model Retailer Association, and we are at of all the different booths of all the new toys that are coming out this year. Everything from modeling kits, building kits. These are Suliban building kits, and then we've got over here Tamiya RC cars, model kits, model rockets. This place is just packed full of just all sorts of new RC stuff, model kits, airplanes, just about everything you can imagine. Giant vehicles, everything you can do in the way of hobbies, and that is here at the National Model Hobby Retailer Association. Cool stuff. And this is Pro Tinker on the road. We'll be doing many videos this week. Over here, let's check out over here. There's some cool model kits, RC cars, slot cars, more slot cars. Cool stuff. This is part one video.